Thank you for joining me in this lesson on present continuous tense. A present continuous tense is used to express something that is happening at the moment of speech, at the moment the speaker is speaking. To form a sentence in the present continuous tense, we need the present form of the verb to be, which are also helping verbs am, is, and are, in addition to the main verb ending in ing. So when these two are present in a sentence, the sentence is most likely in present continuous tense. Let's look at some examples. I am working. So am and working in the sentence makes this a present continuous tense. Same with is. Let's use it in an example. She is exercising. This sentence is in the present continuous tense. Another example using are. So jump becomes jumping. They are jumping. So this sentence is in the present continuous tense too. Present continuous tense or present simple tense. So we have to distinguish between the present continuous or the present simple tenses. He is training for the competition. He trains for the competition every day. So which one is the present continuous and which one is the simple present tense? So he is training for the competition is the present continuous tense. It has the helping verb is with the main verb ending in ing. So that makes this a present continuous tense sentence. The other sentence, he trains for the competition every day, is in the simple present tense. She is playing. This is also in the present continuous tense, is playing. For example, she plays every day. What tense is this sentence in? No helping verbs, no verbs ending in ing, so most likely it is it's in simple present tense. I am playing. We have the helping verb am plus the main verb ending in ing, so it is a present continuous tense. He is teaching the class. This is also in the present progressive tense or present continuous tense. What about this one? It is snowing. It was snowing every day last winter. There are two different tenses used in this sentence, in this statement. So let's find out. So the first sentence, it is snowing. Next sentence, it was snowing every day last winter. So we have in this sentence the present continuous tense and the past continuous tense, which I will explain in a different video. So do not use continuous tenses with non-action verbs, which are called stative verbs. Let's look at some examples. Do you say I understand you, or do you say I am understanding you? Which one is the grammatically correct sentence? It is the first one, I understand you. You do not say I am understanding you. You say I understand you. You use stative verbs use it with the simple present tenses, not continuous tenses. Another example. Do you say I love it or I am loving it? I love it. We are agreeing or we agree with you is the second one. We agree with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons.